What's up everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to add videos to your Shopify store in any page on your Shopify store. You can embed the video in any page you want, whether it's the product page or like a contact page if you want to. So you can do so in any page. You can embed a video in any page, or you can also add a video as a media for your product. So in your product page you have photos for a certain product, and you can also add videos to showcase the product even more. So you are free to insert videos in any place you want to on your Shopify store, whether if it's a page, insert video in a page, or insert video in a product page, or add video as a product media alongside photos. So the method is like basically the same to do in any page or in a product page, whether if this video is on YouTube or TikTok, or if it's a video file that you want to upload. So let's get right to it. First of all, let me show you how to embed a YouTube video into your Shopify store page. So for that, we want to go to online store. We want to select pages, and here you will have a list of your pages. Here the contact page is the only page that shows up because this is like a new store that I set up just for the sake of this tutorial. So let me show you how to add it in the contact page, and the method would apply on any page on your Shopify store. So here, let's say we want to embed the video within the description. So let's like write a sentence. So this is the first line, and then let's say you want to paste the video here, and then thanks for watching. Okay, now the first method is that if you do already have your video on YouTube, or if you want to copy a YouTube video link, so here you want to click on share. Of course, open the video that you want to embed on YouTube, and then click on share here, and a pop-up will appear. The share pop-up will appear here. And from here you want to click on the embed option, and then you can like edit some options. You can like start the video from the point where you paused it. You can show the player controls, and you can enable privacy enhanced mode. So let's say I don't want to show the player controls. I want it to play automatically. And what you want to do is to go ahead and then copy this code right here. Copy it, and then go to your page. Now click here on the insert video icon, and here you would want to paste the video or the code that you copied, the embed code that you copied from YouTube, and then click on insert video, and you'll get like a preview here of your video, and you can click on it to play, and the video will start playing automatically from the beginning, and there are no playback controls that are shown right here. So this was the first method if you already will have a YouTube video, or if you do upload your videos to YouTube and you want to embed them to your Shopify page. Now let's say you want to embed a TikTok video, a video from TikTok. You can also do so using the same method. So let's delete this video right here. So let's go ahead and delete it and add a new line, empty line, to embed our TikTok video right here. Let's say this is the TikTok video that you want to embed. When you open the video, you should see here a menu or some description on the right, and some options right here. You would see the embed option. If you click on it, you should see a code right here. You want to click on copy code, or manually copy the code, and then go to your page, and then click on the insert video icon and paste the code right here, and click on insert video, and your video should appear right here, or should be inserted right here. Now let's say you do not have a video uploaded on any platform. You have a video file on your computer, and you want to embed it into the description of this like page. Let's delete here the video that we embedded from TikTok. Let's add an empty line. Now you would want to upload. You can upload your video to, of course, YouTube, and embed the code here as I showed you, or you can upload it directly to Shopify. To upload the video, simply click on the content option here on the menu on the left, and then okay, let's cancel. Let's actually open the Shopify in another tab. So let's duplicate it. Let's open here the content in a new tab. And in the content you have meta objects and files. You want to click on files, and here it'll show all the files that you uploaded, including the pictures that you uploaded for your product. Here you want to click on upload a file, and you would choose a video. Here this is like a sample video. Click on open, and the video will be uploaded. Here it'll show a progress. Okay, it says file format is not supported on a trial plan, so I will not be able to upload it. However, once you upload it, it'll show up here in the list, and you will find here a link, copy link icon, just similar to this one. So let's pretend this is the video. You want to copy the link here. Link is now copied, and then you would go to your page that you want to paste the video in. Then click on the insert video, and then paste your link here. And if you want to further control the dimensions of your video, you would want to paste this piece of code right here, and then in the paste link here section you want to paste your link. So let's cut it from here and then paste it right here. Okay, and then you would click on insert video to insert it in your page. Now since this is not a video link, it will not work. However, this is the method to do it. Now let's say you want to add the video to a product page. Let's go to products right here. Okay, let's leave this page as it is. I don't want to save the changes, and I've added one product that's a basic shirt right here. And now you can do the same here in the like description, the product description. You can click on the insert video here, and then copy the embed code from like YouTube or TikTok and paste it right here and insert the video. And then if you do want to add it as a media to the product, you can add from a URL or click on add here, and you should be able to upload your video. Now it's uploading, and once it's finished uploading, it'll show up here as a media for the product. Okay, we got the same message. The file is not supported on trial account. So to upload videos in like MP4 format, which is like a widely used format, you should be subscribed to a paid plan in order to do so. However, once you do so, once you added a video, it'll show up in the product page when your client opens your product page, and your video will be playing here. So that's how easy it is to add videos to pages or a product page or as media for your products on your Shopify store.